Is this a familiar scene in your bedroom? Meet Snore Circle, your intelligent guardian against snoring. Trying our hardware upgrade. The triple electrode ensures stable signals. Just put on the patch, turn it on, and connect to the app to begin a personalized sleep journey. When the device detects snoring during sleep, it triggers a medium-frequency electrical pulse that strengthens the throat muscles to stop snoring. This is enabled by the fast rise, fast fall algorithm. Equipped with a high-precision sensor and patented algorithm inside, it continuously protects your sleep, whether in AI-connected or offline matching mode. Wake up refreshed with your partner and a detailed sleep report. A detailed sleep report can help you track the sleep status and the enhanced sleep quality. Smart and portable, Snore Circle fits seamlessly into your life for naps, anytime you need perfect rest. We are Snore Circle. Back us now.